This is part 2 in the beginner crochet tutorial series, and we're going to talk about what you can do with this chain stitch now that you have one. If you haven't seen that, it's this video right here. Now from here we're going to work our chain up into, say, a little square. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 2 stitches from the end. There's 1 and then 2. So we come to the second stitch, insert our hook, wrap some yarn, pull through, and then pull through both loops at the same time. So then in the very next stitch, go into the stitch, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through the loop, and then pull through both loops. And you're going to repeat this all the way to the end of the row. Now once you're at the end of the row and you have your row of chains, this is where you turn your work over. You do a chain of 1, and you go into the very next one and start doing the same thing on this next row, going through both of the top stitches right here. Both of these top stitches is where you go through, wrap, pull through again, and you flip the work over again. You'll have it looking like this. You do a chain of 1, you go down in, wrap, pull, stick, wrap, pull, pull your yarn through, and now you've got your square row. Then you'll flip it again and do a chain of 1, go in through the top 2 loops just like you did on your single. And so this is how you would do single crochet.